Hi everyone, my name is Pastor Leo, and I have some exciting news to share with you today. I want to invite each and every one of you to an amazing event that's happening Sunday at Rusty Parker Memorial Park in Waterbury, Vermont. This event is a joint effort between Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly and Calais Woodbury United Church and the Church of the Crucified One. We've come together to bring you an evening filled with inspiration, hope, and a chance to reflect on life's biggest questions. Starting at 6 p.m., we have the incredible Hope worship team performing live music in the park. Their soulful melodies and uplifting lyrics will surely touch your heart and set the tone for the evening. But that's not all. We have a very special guest speaker joining us. His name is Dean Braxton, and he has an extraordinary story to tell. Dean actually died and for 1 hour and 45 minutes and came back to life. Can you believe it? Dean will share what he saw and experienced. And trust me, it will make you stop and think about what's happening to us when we die. His message is filled with hope and reassurance of a loving God who cares deeply for each and every one of us. Dean's story has been featured on numerous television shows. He has been invited to speak all over the world. He even wrote several books about his incredible experience. This is a rare opportunity to hear Dean's story in person, so you definitely don't want to miss it. I am confident that this event will provide you with answers that you may have been searching for your whole life. So mark your calendar for this Sunday, July 9th at 6 p.m. We will be at the Rusty Parker Memorial Park in Waterbury, Vermont. And don't worry, in case it rains, we got a plan. We're going to move the event to Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly in Waterbury Center. So keep an eye on our Facebook page and look at our events and see the latest updates. And remember, it's Sunday, July the 9th at 6 p.m. Let's come together and experience something truly extraordinary. So gather your friends and anyone you know who might benefit from this incredible evening of music and inspiration. I hope to see each and every one of you there.